Kangen 2.5 strong acidic water, not for drinking. This is not just water with a low pH. This is a water that is mixed with a salt solution and electrolyzed to produce hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid is a disinfector and cleaning agent. It can kill over 100 organisms faster than bleach. The FDA have certified this water as a medical disinfectant. This chart shows 2.5 strong acidic Kangen water killing more bacteria and viruses faster and more effective than bleach. This water is completely safe to use on skin and even your eyes for an infection like pink eye. 2.5 strong acidic water has been used in Japanese hospitals and restaurants all around the world and approved in the United States in 2002 as a disinfectant and a sterilizer because of its ability to rapidly destroy bacteria, fungus, and viral pathogens. This is why this water can be used as a mouthwash and can also be used as a spray for countertops and bathrooms, soaking your toothbrush, and much more. It can be used to treat athlete's foot, strep throat, skin infections and acne, bacterial infections, sinus infections, first aid on cuts and burns, food poisoning from salmonella, MRSA, E. coli, and all types of mold, pneumonia, hepatitis, and tuberculosis on surfaces. This is why people have had amazing results from this water by spraying it on their skin and treating their psoriasis, eczema, and other skin conditions. Not only is 2.5 strong acidic water great for the home, but beauty salons, hair salons, restaurants, agricultural colleges and labs, daycare centers, pet shops, nursing homes, dentistries, and doctors' offices all benefit greatly from the use of strong acidic water. On the internet, 16 ounces of hypochlorous acid is being sold for $26. That means it is over $200 per gallon. Our machine produces a gallon of medical grade hypochlorous acid for $4.